Southwest Florida has been plagued by the presence and effects of Chinese drywall. Here are some quick tips on how to check for the presence of Chinese drywall. This is a typical residence found in Southwest Florida, chosen at random.
This is a brand new unit for sale in Southwest Florida. It is plagued with Chinese drywall. This house has never been lived in, and it is in desperate need of renovation. And as you can see, it was very nicely done, has a lot of appointments in the architecture. However, Chinese drywall is making it very difficult to sell, and it is in need of remediation at present time. So let's look at some things that can give you an idea whether you have Chinese drywall or not.
Let's look under the sink. As you can see, there is a copper suppression unit under the sink that has a black charcoal looking finish, and that is a good indicator of Chinese drywall. So what happens to the finish on some of the fixtures in the home? As you can see in this bathroom, we have the chrome finish starting to pit. It has little black dots on it as the finish is being eroded away. Same in this bathroom. You can see on the faucet as well. The chrome finish is starting to lift off and pit, and this is caused by the gas that is released by the Chinese drywall, and typical in these bathrooms. One of the best indicators for Chinese drywall is the air handler. We're going to look at the air handler in this unit, and you can see there's a large amount of copper, but look at the small copper tubing as it flows down from top to bottom there on the left hand side. You can see the black charcoal, as well as this copper tubing has black charcoal looking ingredient on it as well. Same with the coil. It's just covered with the effects of Chinese drywall, and that's located inside the air handler in the home.
You'll note that the power to this home has been turned off completely and has been tested to make sure that there's no power flowing to these outlets. And so as we expose this outlet, you can see this ground wire that is exposed here, which typically is a bright copper color, like a penny. It is now black and tarnished, as well as the other copper wires for your power leads going into this side of the plug, and then also the neutral wires that are going into the other side as well. You can see the ground wire attached there a little bit better onto that green screw. Is totally black, and this is from the effects of the Chinese drywall. These are the wires, the Cat 5 wiring that runs throughout the house. You can see the tips are black from the Chinese drywall, and this is typical in this home. All these wires are now black throughout, so this is a good indicator that there is Chinese drywall present.